Ready to ditch those basic Basecamp maps and unlock a whole new world of detailed cartography for your adventures? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to load map files into Basecamp, opening up endless possibilities for trip planning and GPS navigation. First things first, locate the map file you want to use. This could be a custom map you created, or a map you've downloaded from a third-party provider. Make sure you know exactly where it's saved on your computer now. This is crucial. Basecamp doesn't directly import files. We need a helper program called MapInstall. It usually comes bundled with Basecamp, but if you don't have it, a quick web search will get you sorted. Open MapInstall. If your GPS device is connected to your computer, MapInstall should automatically detect it. If not, don't worry. We're just using MapInstall to load the map onto Basecamp, not a device at this stage. Next, go to the File menu in MapInstall and click on Install Maps Now. Navigate to the location where you saved your file and select it. Click Install. MapInstall will then process the file and install it onto Basecamp. This might take a few minutes, depending on the size of the map. Once the installation is complete, open KevinHowTo. Your newly installed map should now be available in the Map Selection drop-down menu. Simply select it, and you can start exploring, planning routes, and getting ready for your next adventure with your supercharged maps. Now you're ready to explore new terrain. Happy mapping!